Notion Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll break down Notion's features, usability, and overall performance to help you determine if it's the right productivity tool for you. Links to Notion are in the description below. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, databases, and collaboration into a single, highly customizable platform. It's designed for individuals, teams, and businesses looking to streamline their workflow by centralizing everything in one place. Unlike traditional task management tools, Notion allows you to build your own productivity system with a flexible interface and modular design. One of its most powerful features is the block-based system, where every piece of content, whether it's text, images, tables, Kanban boards, or databases, functions as a block that can be easily moved, nested, or formatted. This makes Notion incredibly versatile, allowing users to create custom dashboards, wikis, task lists, knowledge bases, and more. It's perfect for organizing projects, tracking progress, and storing information all in one place. Notion also offers database functionality, letting you create and manage structured content with ease. You can use tables with filters, sorting, and linked databases to manage anything from a simple to-do list to complex project tracking systems. With multiple views like list, gallery, calendar, and board, Notion adapts to different work styles, making it a powerful alternative to traditional task managers like Trello or Asana. Collaboration is another strong point. Teams can work together in real time, leave comments, assign tasks, and embed files, making it a great tool for remote teams or content planning. However, one downside is that Notion lacks built-in automation and advanced integrations compared to competitors like ClickUp or Monday.com. While it does offer API access, it's still not as robust as some other workflow automation tools. Notion offers a free plan with generous features, while premium plans unlock more storage, admin controls, and team collaboration features. Overall, if you need a highly customizable workspace that blends note-taking, project management, and databases, Notion is one of the best options available. Check the links in the description to try it out. Thanks for watching.